In this video, we will learn what is sine wave, cos wave and tan wave. In this particular, you are looking the 3D XYZ axis. Here this is a y axis, this is x axis and this is particularly the z axis. If we stop this look like this one. Here this is the x axis, this is the vertical z axis and the y axis which is pointing toward us. When we look like this will look like a 2D. This means the z axis is coming toward us. That is, you can see this is z axis. Here you can see this is the z axis and here this z axis coming toward you. Okay. Now if you want to visualize the sine wave, then sine wave look like here we will visualize the sine wave and this sine wave will look like this one. Here we are taking an equation y equals to sine x. Here we have taken an equation y equals to sine x and in particularly here the y axis, the resultant of sine wave is along the y axis. You can visualize, you can see here this is the y axis and here this y axis, I will turn this one, this is a particular, this is the y axis and here this is x and here we are representing the equation y equals to sine x and here this is a sine wave. You can see this sine wave is start from 0, this is a 0, here this is 0 and here this wave is starting from 0. After certain time we will look y equals to cos x, cos wave, then you can visualize a different wave. This wave will start from the different point. You must remember here, whenever we will look sine wave, the sine wave start from, the sine wave starts from 0 and when we make the, when we remove the high resolution, then you can see the wave is starting from 0 and it's looking like this one. Here this is a peak and this is the origin of this wave. This wave is also coming from the negative side of the x-axis and going toward the positive side of the y-axis, and here if we look, this is called as a complete wave. This is called one crest and one trough. Here this wave is coming from here and will complete a one wave. This one wave will be end at here. This is a complete wave of sine wave. Here this is a one trough and one crest. By combining the one trough and one crest, we got a one complete sine wave. Now we will see the cos wave, which is also the function of x. This is a cos wave and here you can see here that this wave is starting from somewhere the 0, not exactly from the 0. Here see here, this wave is starting from here from 0, but not from 0. But at 0, it has as at a it is at a this point drop. This means this wave is start from minus, and at top, at the highest point of this wave, at top of this wave, this is coming from this one. Therefore, when we observe the sine wave was starting from here, but here this cos wave is starting from this point. Now we will see the 3D versions of this, both sine wave and cos wave. This is the sine wave. Again we are visualizing the sine wave. Here this is the sine wave. This is a function of y, y equals to sine x, and the variation of this wave is along the x-axis. Now we will see how this sine wave is looking in a 3D. Here this is a 3D version of this wave, and this is a sine wave. You can observe this wave is look like the tides on the sea. This is a tides on the sea. Or sometime we throw a stone on the steady water. That time the ripples of the waters is looking like this one. This is the 3D structure of this wave. You can visualize, or you can view the 3D structure of this wave. Now we will see the cos wave, 3D structure of the cos wave. This is the 3D structure of the cos wave, and here also you can see this wave is coming from negative side, from -2, and here the trough of this wave is at a 0. You can see the clear structure of the sine wave and cos wave. Thank you for watching.